Today we will be going over odd versus even functions. So if you're referring to an odd or even function, basically you're talking about what type of symmetry it has. And in some cases it can even be neither, as you can see down here. But we'll go over that in a minute. So to start off, odd functions are functions that have rotational symmetry. That means you can rotate them about the origin, and they will still have the exact same look. An example is x cubed right here. As you can see, goes up, goes down. Both of these sides are the exact same. They're just rotated around this origin by 180 degrees. Mathematically, what that means is f of negative x is the same as the negative f of x. So just think of this in terms of y, right? If you put in the negative value of x, right? So let's go to this point here. Let's say you're going to 5, and that's about 5. It's 1.71. So if you go to negative 5, the result you should get is around negative 1.71. As you can see, the numbers are the same, but it's just negative instead of positive. So that's one way you can check if you only given, say, not a graph, but a table. That's how you'd be able to figure it out. Even functions are pretty simple. They're just reflected over this y-axis right here. So common functions like that would be x squared, x to the fourth, cosine, absolute value, the one that makes a v, right? All of these are going to be reflectional symmetry across the y-axis. And as you can see up here, f of negative x is the exact same as f of x, right? So if you go to 2, or let's say 5 over here, you'll get a value of if you go to negative 2.25, you'll get 5 over here. You go to 2.25 over here, you'll get the same number. If I can get that. Yep, perfect. Same number on both of those sides. So that is going to be your even functions. And in some cases, it can just be neither, right? It has neither rotational nor reflectional symmetry, and that's because it is not on the axis. So this is shifted over, right? As you can see, not even on both sides, so that would be neither. So essentially, a good rule of thumb to think about this is if it's shifted either left or right from its base form, it's probably not going to be either odd or even. But in some cases, it still can be, especially if it's just shifted up and down. But any kind of motion will generally cause it to lose its symmetry. So, yeah, that's odd and even functions for you guys, and hopefully you found this helpful. Let me know if you guys need any more help or any more function topics you want me to go over.